In this part of the chapter number third, elements, compound and mixtures, we will discuss its exercise. First question is of exercise. Write the symbols of helium, silver, krypton, antimony and barium. The symbols of these elements are: helium is He, silver is Ag, krypton is Kr, antimony Sb and barium is Ba. Next question is: write the names of following elements: sodium, potassium, sodium, Na, sodium, that's Na, sodium, Ca, carbon, Kr, krypton, U, uranium, Ra, radium, Fe, iron and Co, cobalt. These are the symbols and name of these are written here. Next question is: your next question is define elements. Element is the basic form of matter that cannot be broken down into similar substances by chemical reactions. Compounds a pure substance formed by the chemical combination of two or more elements in a mixture in a fixed ratio by mass. Name of elements, examples of elements are all these are the elements: sodium, potassium, carbon, uranium, radium, iron, oxygen. And the example of compound is water. Water is a compound. H2O is the formula. Glucose C6H12O6, fructose C6H12O6, NaCl is the common salt. Such types of these examples are called compounds. Fourth question is your fourth question is name the main metal present in the following: hemoglobin. Hemoglobin contain iron, chalk contain calcium, chlorophyll contain magnesium and chocolate wrappers contain aluminium is aluminium foil, and iron is hemoglobin. Now fifth question: give 4 examples of non-metallic elements: hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, carbon, chlorine, sulfur, phosphorus, etc. All these are non-metals. As we have discussed in our first part, non-metals are very few in number in periodic table. Next question number 6. What do you understand by metalloids? Metalloids are those substances which having some properties of metals and some of non-metals like boron, silicon. Normal gases are those which do not react chemically with other elements or compound, helium and neon. My dear student, for clarifying all the definition, just watch first part carefully and learn and write those notes. You will get all the definition parts from that part only. Now, seventh question is select elements and compounds from the following list: iron, plaster of Paris, chalk, common salt, copper, aluminium, calcium oxide, cane sugar, carbon, silica, sodium, sulfate, uranium, potassium carbonate, silver, carbon dioxide. So here are iron, plaster of Paris. Elements are iron, copper, aluminium, carbon, uranium and silver, and compounds are plaster of Paris. My dear student, learn here formula also. Plaster of Paris is CaSO4 dot half H2O. Hemihydrated calcium sulfate is called plaster of Paris. In short, it is known as POP. Chalk is the calcium carbonate. Common salt is NaCl. Calcium oxide is CaO. Cane sugar's formula is here: C12H22O11. And silica is SiO2. SiO2 and sodium sulfate is Na2SO4. So learn these formulas. Pause कर लीजिए video, then watch and write in front of them with name. Next, potassium carbonate. Potassium carbonate is K2CO3. Carbon dioxide is CO2. So these are the formulas also. Exercise part 2 we will discuss in next part. Here watch this first and second part, and if you have any doubt just ask your question.